All right. Okay, so for our second cube here, okay, for our second cube, I'm going to come all the way down here, mostly because I want to make sure I have room. I'm going to pick a random spot. It's okay. No, I'm doing this on the same page. So if you guys see here, I did the first one on the top, the second one on the bottom. So here we go. So this is 1.75 times, that should be I have no idea why I wrote 7.5. That's horrible. So 1.75. So let's see here. So that's here times the height, which is 1.5 here. We'll do this. Make it 1.5. 1.75 times 1.5 times 0.75. So I'm going to come over here and write that on the side so I know what to draw. 1.75 inches. The two quote marks, that means inches. Times 1.5 inches times 0.75 inches. Okay. Okay. So, I'm going to follow that same process, right guys? So check this. Watch it. First, and it's all construction lines. To get the hardest part of this is not drawing the side views and the top views, it's drawing the front view. So let's draw the front view, and I'm going to use these long construction lines to show the outside of the box. So here we go, nice construction line, something like this. Okay, that's the outside of the box. Now I need to go for 1.75 this way. So, once again, I can take my ruler and measure 1.75, but that would be, 7, so 7 squares. So I'm going to make a line from there, straight up, construction line. Okay. Now I'm going to go 1.5 inches up to finish off my box here. So quarter, half, 3/4, 1 inch, 1 1/4, 1 1/2. And we'll go that way. So I have the outside of my shape here with this cube, and then my construction lines are going to tell me exactly where to put my top view and side view. Okay. Alright, let you guys catch up for half a second here. I'm going to reference our object here. This object is an offset staircase. It's not all exactly the same. It's 3/4 of an inch by 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make those points on here. 3/4 of an inch by 1/2 inch here, and then 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch here. These are going to be my stair steps. And then, guess what? It's just like previous drawings we've done, a whole lot of construction lines. There's a construction line there, a construction line here, a construction line here, and another one here. Alright, give me a second while I check the door. Okay. So, question guys, do I have enough lines to mark my object line now?
No.
I don't?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, because here's my stair step. The thing is, every line I drew, though, had these long construction lines, and that's going to give us our side views and our top views. So I'm going to go ahead, use my ruler, and darken these in. Okay. Hopefully you guys are doing this step as well. Okay, got some darker lines. I am in great shape here. I really like this. Part of the reason I like this example is that this particular front view will not have the same top and side views. They're going to look different. It's a good kind of next step here. Now, before I go anywhere, I want to label this as the width. Then I'm going to come and label this as the height. Okay. All right. All right, so now that I have this, I'm going to back off the zoom just a little bit. Okay. You guys ready for me to move on? Okay. So let's do a different distance between the top view, side view, and the front view. How many cubes do you guys want now? 2. Okay, that's a good one. So I'm going to start with 2. I just went 2 up. And before I do anything, it's automatically going to be a construction line. So let me get my construction line set up here. Draw my line over. Okay. Now, how far up from there do I draw my next line? How do I know? Which one of these numbers is it? Okay, I'm starting to hear from a few of you. That's good. Yeah, it's 0.75, because if this is the width and that's the height, then this has to be the depth. So, width, height, depth, and then it's 0.75, or quarter, half, 3/4. Just confirm that there. Yep, that's 3/4. Make a mark. Get my ruler. Nice and easy. It's worth the time to do it right. Draw myself a nice line. And hey, there you go. You have your top view. In this case, this example, it's already completed. Okay? We haven't done any hidden lines or anything like that yet. So, let's go ahead and darken this with object lines. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and label the depth here. Depth. This is the front view, and this is the top view. Okay? I think I forgot to write that on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and write up here. Front view, top view, not Todd, top, and then side view over there. Okay, let's come back down here. Now we have to draw our side view. So, how many boxes over do we go? 2. Very good. Hey, why is it 2? Has to be the same. Very good, Amy. Okay, I drew my dot. Now, my construction line, the only construction line I can draw is the y-axis line here, or the up and down vertical line. So let's draw that guy up. Draw that up. And our how many squares over do we go again? Remind me again, guys. Why is it 3? Because it's 3/4, because that's the depth. Very good. Let's draw that one up. Now in this case we have some construction lines merging over here, so just be careful that you notice that your object is not going to go any taller than your front view line here. Okay, so let's go ahead and darken that one in as well. All right. I love this. Side depth. All right. So, let's, oh, I missed the middle ones, didn't I? Whoops. More evidence that your teacher makes mistakes. Alright, guys. So on your page today, let me zoom out here. This is what you should have. You should have multi-view cube 1, front view, side view, top view, with height, width, and depth labeled. And we said it's a scale of 1 to 1. Labeling all of our sketches. Down here we have, this is going to be multi-view cube number 2. Now, honest, it's not a cube. That's just what I'm calling these things. I made all of these in Inventor before I did this, just so I could see what's going on. That's actually what's 3D printing right now. I think I said that already, but I'll say it again. This is also a scale of 1 to 1, so every unit on the page corresponds to 1 unit in real life. So every 1/4 inch here is a 1/4 inch of the actual object. All right? I think we're good for today. Oh, wait. Since this is our assignment for today, and we're done with this page, what do we need to do at the bottom of the page? Sign it, please. And it is the 3rd day of the best month of the year. Today should hopefully be the last day of all the oppressive heat. Normally you don't have 90 degrees in October. I think it's only getting in the 80s today, and then into the 50s tonight. Super exciting. So, there you go. That's your assignment. I'm going to go ahead and stop our video here. Where is it?